Unplugged Performance, renowned for their innovative work on Tesla vehicles, has recently introduced a new line of upgrades for the Tesla Cybertruck, aptly named UP Invincible. This upgrade kit transforms the Cybertruck into an off-road powerhouse ready to tackle rugged terrains. One of the standout features of the UP Invincible kit is the 2.5-inch lift kit, retailing at $9,995. This lift kit not only enhances the truck's approach, breakover, and departure angles, but also retains the optimized suspension geometry and functionality. It includes heavy-duty 5-axis CNC 6061 billet machine suspension components, making the truck Baja-ready. In addition to the lift kit, the upgrade also features a range of rugged and durable components. These include HD front and rear bumpers made from high-strength carbon steel, replacing the standard plastic units. For further customization, owners can choose from front and rear carbon fiber fender flares, HD rock sliders, underbody armor, an HD front bull bar, an HD roof rack set, high-performance street and off-road brake rotors, and a carbon fiber hood system with a UP Invincible 50-inch LED light bar. The wheels can be swapped out for 20-inch UP03 Beadlock Forged Wheels or CYBRHEX Forged Wheels, available in both 20-inch and 22-inch sizes, which can be paired with BF Goodrich All-Terrain T tires. Additional practicality-focused parts include MOLLE panels mounted on the side of the truck, a bed storage slider system, and a heavy-duty roof rack. There's even a cargo box mount for the Starlink router. While these add-ons add weight and potentially increase drag, their impact on the Cybertruck's driving range is not yet detailed. The entire UP Invincible kit, with over 20 different items, could cost upwards of $30,000. However, Unplugged Performance offers each piece individually, with prices ranging from $155 for wheel spacers to $9,995 for the lift kit. The full range of products will be available in early 2024, with limited quantities of select products shipping as early as December 2023. Ben Schaffer, the CEO of Unplugged Performance, emphasizes that their approach to the Cybertruck is not just about aesthetic transformation, but a comprehensive method to unleash the full potential of the vehicle. The upgrades include not just performance enhancements, but also additions that contribute to the truck's rugged and robust persona. In essence, the UP Invincible kit from Unplugged Performance reinvents the Tesla Cybertruck, equipping it for tough terrains and adventures, transforming it into a vehicle that embodies both performance and the spirit of adventure.